Welcome back to Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little bit before 11 a.m. Altcoin Tuesday. We're talking altcoins. Right now we're on TradingView, and we're talking about Bitcoin Cash. And why we are talking about Bitcoin Cash is you guys know that if you followed me for the last year plus, you understand that one of the methods that I teach and like to instill in people is the hard fork correlation method. Okay. What does that actually mean? It means you are looking at the hard forks of your primary asset, in this case, Bitcoin. You are looking at that and you're trying to determine what the behavior is going to be in the hard forks, such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Cash ABC. Those are just examples of forks or forks of forks, okay? It's kind of hard to follow, but sometimes a fork also has a fork, okay? If you're talking about Ethereum, you're looking at Ethereum Classic, for example, ETC. So you want to fundamentally look at, okay, if you believe that the fundamental asset that the fork is derived from, in this case, Bitcoin, is going higher, which today it is, Bitcoin crossed over 51,000, what will the behavior be in its forks? Remember, its forks are all still Bitcoin, okay? In reality, right? I mean, okay, now there's always that rift. When you talk forks in the developer and the miner community, they kind of battle it out. They have their say. Some people dish on, some people love, some people hate, some people whatever. And that's all noise to me. So you just got to let that just sink out. I mean, just let that go on Twitter, on Instagram, wherever it's happening, YouTube. Just ignore it because the data and the underlying metrics and your technical analytics tell you all you need to know, that they follow in concert or in tandem or correlated to what happens in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, inevitably these forks go up. These forks are valued at much less. For example, Bitcoin Cash has made its move since the flash crash, okay? 350s. Down here to RSI level, momentum indicator of under 10 on the RSI. That is a massively oversold signal that you should have been buying Bitcoin Cash at 350 to 360, okay? Or entering, like a leverage trade, buy up 3x, 5x, 10x Bitcoin Cash at 355, okay? 355. Well, Bitcoin Cash is right now trading at about 490 since the flash crash. So it's gone from an RSI of under 10, massively oversold, to now an RSI level of 48 to 50, okay? Which is just above its basic monthly average for Bitcoin Cash, okay? So not too hot, it's not white hot, it's not red hot, just kind of warm, right? So you had a little dip here, but then we've got this move here in the last hour or so across the board, Ethereum up, Bitcoin up, and it's going to go up. So if Bitcoin goes up 3% today, okay, I will bet you Bitcoin Cash is going to go up 6, 5 or 6. Why? Because the valuations are completely different. You've got Bitcoin at 51,000. You've got Bitcoin Cash at just under 500. So that ratio, the movement is actually the same for me. But here's the difference. You have $50,000, right, that you're gonna put into crypto. Okay? Just think of it like this way. How many tokens are you going to get of Bitcoin at 50,000 or 51,000? One. And you're going to get the price movement off of that one token, higher or lower, on a percentage basis. But if you took that 50,000 and you put all of it in Bitcoin Cash, or say Bitcoin Gold or Bitcoin Silver as you go cheaper down the line, and you're going to get the same pricing movement, 3%, 4%, 5%, 10%, what's happening with Bitcoin, but you're getting that movement in that asset that's valued at $500 or $180 or $45, and you're having more, you're buying more tokens with that 50,000. Your P&L, your gain ultimately is going to be much greater. And you're using that pricing movement off of Bitcoin to make trades while never, ever having to buy Bitcoin. Okay, mates? And that's the untold thing that's happening. It's a secret I know a lot of institutional managers are using to invest in crypto right now.